I'm Rai Llanes, mostly known by Bomberong Nurse ng Davao. I am 26 years old, 10 years volunteer firefighter, and a nurse. So, after na nag-start na ang Lady Boss, dito may mas nag-strengthen ang among partnership with the help of the Lady Boss itself, the company itself, by giving us the opportunity na maging safe space sa mga volunteers while repacking the relief goods whenever there is a calamity sa Davao or outside Davao. Example, yung recent namin na big na relief operations was in Manay. Hand-to-hand na experience yun namin with Lady Boss. From day 1 until natapos yung operations namin sa Manay, kasama namin si Lady Boss nun. Mga big fires dito sa Davao, si Lady Boss talaga ang main partner namin when it comes to mga malalaking sunog. Not just nag-offer sila ng hub for us to repack our needs, but nagabigay din sila ng mga kailangan na namin, mga kulang namin for donations. Same mi og concept in life, no? Not just mag-stick me sa amuang mga passion, but also we go beyond our call of duty. Just like kay Ate Mikay and kay Kuya Chucky, they are very good in making people beautiful, but they are also very good in helping other people outside the cameras or outside sa ilahang sa ilahang description as an aesthetic clinic. Maybe not all na makakita sa ilahang ginahimo sa communities good, but on a first-hand basis na naka-work na ko sila, always good sila full out support sa mga community na outreach, mga programs na kailangan sa among grupo para ma-sustain ang relief operation. Thank you for all your help, Kuya Chucky and Ate Mikay. Salamat kayo sa inyong dakong tabang o suporta para sa Metro Davao. If wala po sila, wala mo, Kuya, dako kay difference good para sa among mga operations. Dili lang mo naghatag og sa mua kanang pahalipay or kanang para sa mga pang expenses sa grupo, but also gikuha man ninyo as families na good since the start. Dako jud kayo ginhatag na partnership si Lady Boss as a volunteer firefighter as among grupo. Not just financially, but physically, emotionally. Dili lang sila kay wag nag-donate, but also gina-treat namin nila as family good. Basing on the photos na nadre, Beauty Beyond is basically like the real definition of beyond. So, murag akong gayon ganina na dili lang siya always beauty or enhancement. They also go beyond the outreach or beyond helping people on the communities na kailangan og tabang.